what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. I had to wake up very early, come to my nail tech because my nails need to be done because we're traveling for work. But anyway, oh, my eye is getting better. But yeah, so that's where I am right now. I'm waiting for it to arrive. So yeah, I'm so excited.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Guys, I am so late. I did my nails. One thing that made me late is because I had some family responsibilities and all that, but I am just glad that my baby's better right now. So without talking too much and all that, we're gonna be leaving the house. I'll see you guys in Lelino when I get to the venue. I am so late.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
Guys, we have arrived. We just arrived. Die weg.
Two 2,000 years later.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Wetla o vlog ya. Not Zere. Ke ntate Matisi.
Because I have chips and fries. They'll never taste so good without you.
So we just came this side to check the pool area, and all I'm gonna tell you right now for free it is that this place is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, okay? It is gorgeous. What's on my name? Oh, you must be fed. Hi, monkey. Hi, Dorisy. Hi, monkey nosy. Hey, boy. That's just jumping as.
Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. Man, it's supposed to cross crying. Since the pain, oh yeah. Listen, I love you. Night sounds strange. I wish it would rain. The man ain't supposed to cry. I wish it would rain. I wanna go outside. I wish it would rain. Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. The man ain't supposed to cry. Listen.
Good morning, guys. So it's the second day of us being here. I forgot my tripod. I forgot to take my tripod. Excuse me for the noise in the background. We are close to the roadside. We are at Riverside. I'm not sure if I did mention that. We are at Riverside, so today is the second day. And I'm preparing to go to breakfast right now. And I'll see you guys when I get that side. I'm not really feeling like doing much to my face. Imba, Wayana Kintida, guys. Wayana ki Bengal, okay? Wayana ki accessories. 100%, that's fine. Wayana. Can totally na Wayana. Okay. Wayana. I got these from Dragon City, and I love them so much. So yeah, let's go, guys. We are good to go. I might take this jacket. I'm not sure. I was wearing this jacket yesterday. I might wear this again, just for in case, because the weather this side is so confused. Let me tell you something. It is so confused. I look so pretty. Why does my face look so dry? and Kobisi Lebanese. But anyway, we are going to have breakfast. I'll see you guys. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see me properly, but this is my outfit of the day. Wearing these leggings. That is me over there. Accessories. These are my earrings, and yeah, so I'm gonna change these slippers because obviously I can't attend with Ager Kemana mama Ager Hankaji mamu ho.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
Hi guys, afternoon. I hope you guys are good. So as I mentioned in the morning that it's actually day 2 of us being here. We're gonna be going to a boat cruise and I'm so late. I know that I seem so calm, but we are so late. So we're gonna be going to a boat cruise and I'm so excited. I am so excited. I literally can't wait. So let us go. This is my outfit, but I'm gonna try to show you the entire outfit. Bye. This is my outfit, you guys. This is my outfit after the okay.
Lose my mind. Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
good morning. I hope you guys are good because I am good. There's always noise in here because I always open the windows. But anyway, I hope you guys are good. Today is actually the last day. We actually gonna be checking out. So I just wanted to greet you guys, and yeah, just wanted to greet you guys and let you know that we are gonna be checking out. So yeah, that is that. Yesterday we had a social gathering and it was so good. Did I ever show you guys my nails properly? These are my nails. Are they not cute? I love them so much. They're so cute. On the side, I'll show you guys what I wanted versus what I got. But I love them so much. Even my toenails. But I'm a bit insecure about my feet. Yeah. But I'll try to show you guys how my feet looks currently. But as for now, I'm gonna go for breakfast because they're having breakfast currently, and then we'll just check out. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys. I love you. Bye. Riverside sun. Yeah. Okay, right now we're just gonna try to check out and have breakfast because I can see that a lot of people have actually started logging. And yeah, so this is where we are right now. Oh, Sana. My nails. Love them loads. How are we going? Am I not so cute? You guys won't be able to see my outfit properly, but that is that. Bye.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Hey guys, I know that the last time I spoke to you guys was when I was saying that I'm going to breakfast. So we came to Dorongap for a TV campaign, and everything went well. Like everything went well, and people are actually leaving now. Like it was a success. So yeah, I think you can see even from the back. Do you see the bus? Yes. So yeah, man. Everything was a success. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm so tired. I'm not gonna lie. My social battery is on the low. Very, very, very low. It pants, guys, but it's fine. We move. We soldier on, right? So yeah, I'll see you guys. I think when I get home. I'm so in love with these earrings. Love them loads, Kisana. I love them so much. They're giving looks. They're so pretty. I feel like they deserve a proper outing. But yeah, let me just stop talking too much and leave you guys.